Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and improving your speaking skills. I am recording this video in my hallway area because I find better background for my video. I find better background to record my video. You can see my behind you can see behind me the curtains, and it's not only two. You can see to this side and to this side. So we put up the curtains 1 week ago, and right now I find the peace, the silence in my home. Everyone is on the second floor. My brothers are on second floor, so that's why. So I got the opportunity. I got the space for me to record my video. And now I find the better background. Like whenever I watched someone's video, they have a better background. They have a tree in their background and some books. So I feel that if I also have what if I also have this kind of background? But it's okay. I didn't get all that things, but I get the better background. So my video looks better. I know this curtain are flowing because of the wind coming through, like you know coming through the gate. That's why. And now I'm feeling that I don't need to worry about the background. It's better than my previous videos because there is a beautiful natural light coming through my gate, like, and I don't need to worry about it, that and I don't need to think about my background. Actually, I especially want to talk about that. I started my communication, my speaking, my English learning journey in January. I've been working on my on this language since January, and I'm still working, but I'm not that much able to express myself. Like I make a lot of I make a little bit I make a grammatical mistakes. I mean, I want to improve that. If I need to improve my basics, if I need to learn from the basic again, I will definitely do that, because I want to be confident. I want to communicate without hesitation. And for that, whatever it takes, I will do to improve my communication skills, because I've noticed that whenever I talk, I take too much time to express my thoughts, and that's why I'm gonna work a lot on my communication, on my speaking skills, because I don't want to feel like I don't want to mumble while speaking. I don't want to think. I don't want to struggle while speaking. And for that, I promised myself that from today I will focus on my speaking on my grammar and on my thoughts, how to express my thoughts more clear, how to express myself with the clarity. I'm gonna focus on that, and I will do everything, whatever it takes, to improve my speaking skills. It's not only about the speaking skills, because I'm here to grow on YouTube, to get to build the connection with the people. I've started this journey. I have started this journey to not I've started this journey to not only learn the communication skills. I have a lot to do. I have a lot to do, and this this language is the tool for me. This language is the tool that opens the opportunity for me, and I can't stop here only improving my communication skills. I have a big goal, so I have to work on this language as much as I can, so I can focus on my dreams. So I know that I stuck while speaking, but one thing is very clear, that I'm very good at expressing myself, but I speak a little slow. I speak slow, and I have to work on it. And I know the reason why I speak slow, because I don't know a lot of vocabularies, or I don't know. I make a lot of grammatical mistakes, and I'm gonna work on it so I can speak better. And these are all the things that I wanted to talk about it for today, and that's a lot for today. And thank you for watching this video.